Hey, Cheryl here from ENJO. Just thought I would come on and do a quick video showing how quick and easy it is to clean your wood burner using the ENJO outdoor range. So you can see here it's pretty black, that's just from one day of the wood burner being on. And I've got the outdoor fibres, so I've got the outdoor sponge here, and I'm going to dry it with my enjofil after, but just with the sponge just damp, I'm just taking the spritzel bit and you'll see all that just coming off, and the fibre will just, all that soot and everything will just cling to the sponge so it's not flying around. You don't need to worry about it making a complete mess of the floor below. It'll just lift it all up, it'll just all stay in there with ease. And just getting rid of the last wee bit, it'll just pick all that up, and then I would just go in and I'd finish with my enjofil just to dry it and just give it a wee bit of shine. So all ready for the wood burner to be used again. Easy as that. Thanks for watching.